Plan your outfits, mastering everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very practical and everyday phrase, plan your outfits. This might seem simple, but it's a great example of how English can be used in daily life. So, let's unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. Plan your outfits is a phrase that combines two key words, plan and outfits. To plan means to think about and decide what you are going to do or how you are going to do something. An outfit is a set of clothes worn together, typically for a particular occasion. So, when we say, plan your outfits, we are essentially talking about deciding in advance what clothes to wear for coming days or events. This phrase is commonly used in situations where clothing choice is important or needs consideration. For example, before going on a trip, preparing for a week of work or school, attending special events or meetings. When using this phrase, you can add details about time or occasion. For instance, I need to plan my outfits for the conference next week. Let's plan our outfits for the holiday. In many English-speaking cultures, planning outfits can be a sign of organization and preparation. It's not just about fashion. It's about being ready for different situations. Here are a few tips. Check the weather forecast to plan appropriate clothing. Consider the activities you'll be doing. Think about comfort and practicality, not just style. Let's put this into practice. Imagine you're going on a weekend trip. How would you plan your outfits? Think about the destination, weather, and activities. Try writing down your outfit plan. That's all about plan your outfits. Remember, this phrase is about more than just clothes. It's about making thoughtful decisions for future events. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.